In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your Google Drive. Whether you want to capture the layout of your folders, save a record of your files, or share your drive structure with someone else, this simple method will help you do it quickly and clearly. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can follow along with ease. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Make sure you are logged into your Google account so all your files and folders appear on the screen. Once everything loads, take a moment to make sure the area you want to capture is fully visible. Now, instead of using the standard screenshot keys that only capture what you can currently see on the screen, I'm going to show you a more flexible method that saves your Google Drive as a PDF. This approach often captures more information than a traditional screenshot and is especially useful when you need to document large folder structures or extended layouts. With your Drive page open, press Ctrl and P if you are using Windows. If you are on a Mac, press Command and P. This will open the print dialog box. It might feel a little unusual to use the print menu for screenshots, but it works perfectly for capturing full web pages. In the print dialog, look for the destination section. Click on it and select the option that says Save as PDF. Once selected, your print preview will refresh and show how your Google Drive page will appear in the PDF file. This preview acts as your screenshot, so check it carefully. Make sure all the areas you want to capture appear correctly. You can scroll inside the preview to review everything before saving. If you are satisfied with how it looks, click the Save button. Your computer will ask where you want to store the PDF. Choose a folder you can easily find later and give the file a clear, recognizable name. Once saved, the PDF acts as a full screenshot of your Google Drive page and can be shared, stored, or referenced whenever you need it. And that's all you need to do. You now have a more detailed and flexible way to capture your Google Drive layout. This method is especially helpful for people who manage large collections of files, organize shared folders, or simply want a clear record of their drive structure. I hope this tutorial made the process easy and convenient for you. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need a little extra help, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.